back everyone. Now we'll focus upon the importance of controlling. Controlling helps in accomplishing organizational goals. It helps in judging the accuracy of standards, making efficient use of resources, improving employee motivation. It ensures order and discipline, and it facilitates coordination and action. Let's understand these points one by one. First point is controlling is important because it helps in accomplishing organizational goals. It measures the progress of the organization towards the planned goals. As learnt earlier in the previous video, controlling helps in comparing the actual performance with the set standards. It indicates corrective action to be taken in case if we are deviating from our path. It guides the organization to attain the preset objectives, thus keeping it on the right path. So, controlling revolves around attainment and accomplishment of organizational targets or goals which are set at the time of planning. Secondly, controlling is important because it helps in judging the accuracy of standards. Controlling enables management to validate whether these set standards are accurate and objective or not. It keeps an eye on changes occurring within and outside the organization to review and revise the standards. Sometimes standards which we decided at the time of planning, they may not be accurate, they may not be exact. So this is what is checked during the controlling, whether the standards are accurate or not. If not, then corrective action is taken. Thirdly, controlling is important because it helps in making efficient use of resources. Now we already know that the resources are divided into three categories: man, money, material, human resource, financial resource, physical resource. Controlling helps in reducing the wastage and spoilage of resources through controlling techniques. Controlling ensures effective and efficient utilization of every resource by keeping a track on the progress of activities. Controlling helps in improving employee motivation. Controlling ensures that employees know in advance the standards on which they would be judged and appraised. Moreover, it motivates the employee to perform better in case if the deviations are because of demotivated employee, they are required to be motivated so that the target set could easily be achieved. So controlling keeps a check on all the deviations, on all the errors, and tries to remove those errors to reoccur in the near future. Controlling helps in ensuring order and discipline. Controlling creates an atmosphere of order and discipline in the organization by keeping a check on the activities of the employees. In case the employees are deviating from their path because of any type of problem in the order or discipline, if the employees are not punctual enough, if they are not working sincerely, if they are not devoted towards their task, or if any type of indiscipline problem is there, that is checked through controlling. Controlling helps to minimize the dishonest behavior on the part of the employees. Last but not the least, controlling helps in facilitating coordination in action. Controlling helps in providing direction to all the activities to achieve the organizational goals. Present standard rule each department and employee. So this way, since controlling is involved in taking the corrective action because of any type of deviations to remove all the types of errors and to take measures so that the errors do not reoccur in the near future. That's why controlling is important. I hope that you have clearly understood the importance of controlling. In the next video, we learn about the steps in the process of controlling function of management.